So hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to install Samsung Music in Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. So first of all, you have to go to Galaxy Store. Now go to search and write Samsung Music on the search bar. So we have a recommendation here, by the way. Now this one is the application. So install this application. Now tap here and then click to open. Click continue. Again continue. Allow the permissions here. And this is how the Samsung Music look like, and we can use the Samsung Music from here. As you guys see, we have also the option of Samsung Music in our menu. So that's how guys we can install the Samsung Music in Galaxy A55 5G device. That's it about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.